Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about the Jewelry Making Fun Collaboration Challenge hosted by Dahlia Designs. So this is what I made for November of 2023. She wanted us to make an ornament. She wanted us to use colored wire, and that would be an element that you could actually see. Both of those were options. Now, what she wanted us to use that was not an option was traditional Christmas colors: red, green, white, gold, silver. And as you can see, I used all those colors. So we have this gold glass pearl bead. I've got some white there. There's a green crystal. And then this is a bead that's got some silver foil inside. Isn't it pretty? And then another crystal, which is red. And then I just used this clear crystal. In fact, all of these beads actually came from a challenge that I hosted last year. It was the Advent Swap Challenge. And the wire actually came from Walmart. It's just green 18 gauge soft wire. And I had a little piece left over from another project I was doing, and so I just wrapped it around the beads, and then I added this ribbon to it, and I like the way it turned out. It's not really big. One thing too, I can use it for a Christmas ornament on a tree, but something else I can use it for is maybe a little ornament on one of my Blythe dolls. I like to make zipper pulls for their bead, or for their eye pole charms, and this would make a really good element for them. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for joining me today, and I hope you go check out all the other participants to see what they made. I will leave links down in the comment section below, not the comment section, sorry. I'll leave a link down in the description box below, so you can just go click on it and see what everybody else made. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye. So I thought I'd show you what I meant with the dolls. These are Blythe dolls, and their eyes, they're connected to a string, and when you pull it, the color of their eyes change. And a lot of people like to decorate these pull cords. And this is a zipper pull that I used to hang on that one. And then we've got this one. Here's another one. Of course, I'm not going to use the ornament that I just made because it's hanging on my tree.